building we're going into that we've just come across. This is just across from where we've just been. That's where we were. That's where we're going. So yeah, let's have a look and see what's inside. Oh, is that for a tennis court?
Oh yeah, tennis.
Oh, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Net.
Yeah. I've seen that symbol before somewhere.
Scouts.
It is Scouts, isn't it? Yeah. I never knew it had a name. I just recognised it being on that little purple badge. It was on a purple badge, wasn't it? With like the rope around the outside of it. Hey look, you've got PC over there.
No, I kicked the fucking and now to put on the sign.
Ah,
I'm so clumsy.
little mattress, airbed.
These are stocks.
What are they?
Stocks.
What?
Like you put people in it and throw like veg at people and wet, yeah, that's it, wet sponges, isn't it? Yeah. Water balloons. Oh, they got a projector. Yeah. Do you remember them from school?
I do.
Wow, look at all these toilets.
Yeah, I know. Mad, isn't it? Yeah.
Little like.
I'm surprised someone ain't actually vandalised. It's quite like packed tight.
Look at that jack there.
Looks like
That
they
ain't
were
a
ready
jack.
to do the place.
What is that?
I think it's a golf ball tractor.
Oh, is it?
No, that's what that pink thing goes in, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like a chalk line.
Oh, okay.
It'd be for the tennis court, isn't it?
Oh, to draw it out. If they're on grass, I guess, yeah. I wonder what this place looked like when it was all like, you know, working.
Oh, nice.
Was it a decent one or like just like?
Right, button.
Yeah.
Check how much
Pair of
Pair of jugs. Right. Well guys, I don't know if that was all of it. I think there might be an upstairs, so we're going to have a look and see if we can find the upstairs. Oh actually, there's a little outhouse.
Because it's the old coach house.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How did that coach
So yeah guys, this would have originally had like a little horse in it. Or probably a big horse. I'm not really sure why there's like a bed in here, but you know, it's all gone, so I guess they just stored stuff wherever. But yeah, that would have probably been for a horse. And then this here, I don't know, some other sort of stuff, maybe cattle, sheep, I don't know, chickens, could be anything. Not much of it left now though. Pretty much done of this place, isn't it, I think?
Yeah.
Was there an end bit, was it?
Yeah, you can get upstairs as well. I don't know where the two guys are.
What's in here, anything or?
Yeah, it's worth a look.
Let's have a look. Oh, there's another bit that leads off from it. Oh, there's a room here.
First aid stuff, hand sanitizer, fucking loads of it.
Yeah.
I thought we had a problem in lockdown getting hold of it. They should have come here. Here, hand sanitizer, £20.
Gloves, blue roll, sanitizer.
Absorbent granules, body fluid.
So there we go. It's like a kosh storage area. Hey, look at that. Look at them fuses over there. Magnetic tool storage. I like these little windows, they're cool, aren't they? I'm going to have a quick look upstairs, see if there's anything around up there. Running on low power, so I'll make this one quite quick, I reckon. What's this? Oh, another toilet, bathroom.
A lot of bathrooms, isn't there? But I suppose everyone has their own en suite. Like.
It's got that old person smell.
First aid box in it.
Oh, is it? A full one?
Yeah.
That's unusual.
It was from Tesco.
Tesco.
£6.99.
£6.99. How much do you reckon that's worth now, like in Tesco?
I don't know. I don't even remember Tesco's name looking like that ever.
No, like I reckon you go in there now, and that thing will probably cost you about 23 quid or something.
Yeah.
Like Right, we go in here. Little kitchen, old school hobs. It's got like that no entry tape on the oven. Fuck me, that made me jump. Jesus. Whew.
You didn't know we were in this one to throw it in this.
Oh look, do you remember these? The toy on its own is probably worth about 20 quid. You put it in the box and it's suddenly worth £2-3. It's another fantastic little game, isn't it? These have all got to be like, do you reckon that's got still got to be 80s, isn't it? Surely, like 88 maybe? It looks like kind of like Tetris, doesn't it?
Like the total
Super cool,
points up to maximum of 9,999.
And it resets and you're unlucky, you go back to zero after that. No matter how good you are, you go back to zero.
10,000.
Yeah, these are pretty empty looking rooms, guys. Like, there's not an awful lot in here at all. The most attractive thing to look at in here is probably these beams that go across the ceiling behind me. Kind of Tudor looking, they're pretty heavy duty. And after all of the rain and rot that we found in the other place, these things have been coated and they look like, you know, they're going to be good for the next 80 odd years, aren't they? They look fine. So a little random cupboard for your coats and stuff. There we go. Looks like someone's either had a fire, doesn't it? Like,
They resisted burning that part of the newspaper though.
I'm going to have to censor this, I reckon. Like,
Blast from the past.
isn't it? Page 3, babes.
Yeah.
That's the Sun, isn't it? Oh no, it's the Star, Daily Star. Because the Sun, I think, had page 3, didn't it, for ages, and then like suddenly, like, you know, the what do you call it? Like the feminists or whatever got involved, and then suddenly there was no more page 3.
So don't join on to that other bit.
No, so we have a look and see what the other bit was all about, guys.
This is the way in.
Can you not get through the door? Oh no, it's like it's proper done, isn't it? That's an easy way in this time. Like last time, I made it look well hard, right?
Yeah.
It goes off miles in this direction.
Yeah.
Little hobby horse.
It's a trestle.
Oh yeah.
Is that just a wardrobe in there? Yeah. All the copper pipes. That's just bricked off that way. This side you got the water tank.
What's the date on this paper? Oh, this is 2003. Which is, I think, when it was last. Was this when it was last open? 2003. I can't remember now. It might have closed in 2003. I'm not sure. That's the door we couldn't get through.
Yeah, still we couldn't get through. This was.
So this is all new stuff now that we haven't seen yet. Another bath. Really dirty looking. Test emergency lights. Look at these random bits of wallpaper. Do you reckon they had like pictures in them or something? It's like a little yeah, look, there's a pin thing on that bit there.
No.
So yeah, this probably had some big ass picture in it. A mirror or something maybe. Another kitchen. Another little cupboard at the back. I've got to say, I think I prefer the other building better. This is like, you know, it's abandoned, sure, but I still prefer the other building. SGR, Colchester, FM, 80, 98, 96.1,
Yeah.
96.1 FM, SGR Colchester, so whatever that is. Sounds good radio, I guess. Another door, another exit point. Some white powdery mildew on the wall of this one. not really much to look at all, guys, in here. Just like a little, looks like your dad's doing his decorating. Looks like kind of one of them sort of rooms. Wow. Oh, actually, they left the windows open. Unbelievable.
Fix that, close it.
Yeah.
No.
It's going to make a world of difference. Charge everything up in a minute and run it on low power.
Yeah. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did this one, didn't we, I think? Yeah, we did this one. Right, guys. So, yeah, we're going back out again. Oh. Coach house.
The coach house. Main house.
What, Barry?
There we are. Right, are we going to go back to...
Yeah, go and have like a lunch break and then we'll crack on with the rest of it. So this is another one ticked off the list, guys. As I say, we're going to go for a little break now. We'll come back and we're going to do the rest of them shortly.
Click the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos.